exploding ketchup bottles.
I've also figured out, you know that stupid little unibutton blue mouse I have?
Yeah?
I can't actually play Penumbra with it.
Okay.
Because it's a stupid unibutton mouse. And
what just happened?
Ketchup bottle exploded. I'm now using my trackpad.
Okay. Green. Temperature.
You should just put the trackpad in.
Oh my goodness, I have to record this audio.
It is really bad.
This is ridiculous.
I know it's really bad.
What happened?
Ketchup exploded.
Oh my goodness, your face there was hilarious.
Oh, so I'm hilarious, am I?
Yes, very.
Yes, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Okay then.
Exploding ketchup on you.
Yeah.
I'm dumping just fine right now with ketchup in my hand. And I'm mildly worried about.
Oh, but you've seen the face that I'm capable of making, right? You remember that?
Yes.
Do I need, like... What just happened?
Nothing exploding. Ketchup.
What? I think you've been influenced by PewDiePie too much.
I guess I see it. It's too tiny. Oh, there you go.
I hate this game.
Exploding ketchup bottles! Wait, you have to open,
Had so many explosions.
Okay then.
Oh, this is going to be much too perfect.